Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can convert between fractions and decimals on the TI-84 Plus Texas Instruments calculator. To do this, we'll be using the alpha key that looks like this, located here, the y equals key that looks like this, located here, the math key that looks like this, located here, and the mode key that looks like this, located here. The first thing we want to do is make sure we're using the right version of the software. To do this, we press the second function plus key. That'll bring us to this menu here, and then we can press enter at the about option, and that'll bring us to this screen here. You can see I'm using the 2.55 version of the software here. If you're using an older version, you might not have the same options. So if you're getting weird results, check that. And it's a good idea to upgrade as soon as possible. All right, so getting started, if we just want to enter in fractions, like let's say this calculation here of 1 over 2 plus 1 and 1/4. To do that, we press the alpha key and then the y equals, and that brings up this menu here. Well, if we just want to enter normal fractions, like say 1 over 2 or 1/2, we use the first option, n over d. So we press enter, and you see we now have two boxes here. We can go ahead and fill in our fraction, so that's 1 over 2, and then go to the right one. There's our fraction entered. In our calculation, it's plus, and now we have a mixed number fraction. Well, to enter that, again, we go alpha, y equals, and we scroll down to the second option here, this un over d. Select that, and we can enter it in. So 1 goes in the first box, that's our whole 1. Scroll to the right, and 1, down 4, we've entered our fraction. Scroll to the right again, and you can see we have our calculation entered there. 1/2 plus 1 and 1/4. So to solve it, we just hit enter, and we see we get the result of 7 over 4. Now, what if we wanted to get this as a mixed number fraction? Well, to do that, we go back to that menu, alpha, y equals, scroll down to this third option. Now this lets us convert between fractions and mixed fractions. Press enter. You'll see this appear. Press enter, and you can see that 7 over 4 has converted to 1 3/4, which is correct. And this can go either way. Now, what if we wanted to get a result that wasn't a fraction but was actually a decimal? Well, to do that, we do the same thing, alpha, y equals, and go down to this fourth option here. This converts fractions and decimals, so we select that, press enter, and see we get a result of 1.75, which we know is the same as 1 3/4 or 7 over 4. This works the opposite way as well. Let's say we had a result of 1.75 and we wanted to convert this to a fraction. Well, we go back to that menu, alpha, y equals, scroll down to the fourth option again, press enter, and you see we convert that decimal into a fraction. Now you can see this automatically gives us a fraction and not a mixed fraction. If we wanted to get mixed fractions every time, what we could do is press the mode key and then scroll down past the first screen to this option here, where we see n over d is highlighted and un over d is not. If we scroll over and select that second option, that un over d, press enter so that it's highlighted, and then clear. If we do the same thing, 1.75, alpha, y equals, convert that to a fraction from a decimal, press enter, you see we automatically get the mixed numbers. Another way we can convert this is with the math key. So if we press that, that'll bring us to this menu here. You see we have a fraction and a decimal option here. Well, we already have our result in fractions, so if we go to decimals, that's convert to decimals, press enter. Our answer, remember, was 1 3/4, and we want to convert that to decimals. We press enter. You see we get 1.75. And again, we can do this in reverse. If we have 1.75 and want this as a fraction, all we have to do is go math and select the first option here, which is convert to fractions. Press enter, enter again, and we have that as a fraction. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.